Welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about the latest AI assistant tool from Shopify called Sidekick. So if you want to access the Sidekick, you can log into your Shopify admin panel. From there, you can just click on the icon next to your profile. Okay, so just click on this link and you'll be able to see the Sidekick. Okay, so Sidekick is an AI assistant for your Shopify store. So it will help you to assist, or it will help you to do many things in your Shopify store. Like if you want to do a test order, you can do that. Or if you want to create a segment of new customers within last 12 months, you can do that. Or if you want to improve your SEO, you can do that. And many more features are coming soon. Sidekick is recently launched, and you'll be able to see this option within your Shopify store once you log into the admin panel. Okay, so in this case, I'll just test with few of the features which are available now within the Sidekick. Okay, so it's a type of chat GPT or an AI assistant for your Shopify store. For example, if you want to like create a segment of your customers for your last 1 year or something, you can also do that. Or if you want to add new product, you can do that. Or if you want to improve the SEO of your products, you can do that. Okay, so all this can be done by using Sidekick. Okay, so let's try to test few of the details. Okay, so in this case, I'm just going to ask, hi, can you create a new collection called sales with the tag sales. Okay, so once I do that, it will just do the things and it will just show me the preview. Okay, so now what it's doing is like it will just it's replying like, let's create a new collection named sales and set up a rule to include product tag with sales. Okay, so this is the preview of that. If you click on the preview, you'll be able to see the preview. Okay, so it automatically adds the title, it adds the description, just make the collection as smart, and it adds the tag as sales. Okay, so everything is done automatically using the help of AI. Okay, so if everything is fine, what you can do is you can just click on save. So now you are done. That means like this Sidekick help you to create collection much more easier than before. Okay, and now I'm just going to add a new tag for all products with compare right price. Okay, so let's try to ask this one. Okay, let's see whether it can do that. Okay, now what happened is like it just, let's create a smart collection which automatically includes all products with a compare at price. This will help streamline your product management and make it easier for the customer to find the discounted items. Okay, so now the product discounted products, the title is so let's click on this preview and will just show that okay, they have created a collection called discounted products with the description and the collection type as smart, and it's just make it like the condition. Okay, the condition as the compare at price is not empty. That means if you are having discount, we will be having value within the compare at price field. And now if I'm just saving this one, it will create a new collection with all the products which are having discounts. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, I just click on save, and now I can see that all these products which are having compare at price or sales value, I can it's added to that collection. Okay, so these are the products, and if I just click on that, I can see that it's having the compare at price value, so it's added to the discounted collection. Okay, just go to the collection, and from here just go to the collection. So if I'm just clicking on any of the product, I can just go inside the product and see that these products are having compare at price, so that's why it's shown or it's added to that collection. Okay, so what it has done is like it just created a new collection called the discount products, and after that it's just like added all the products with the compare at price to this collection. Okay, so this is so now we have tested two options. One thing is to create a simple collection with a single command and or single like with a simple prompt. and we have created a collection with which includes all the discounted products. Okay, so we have done two things now. Now let's see, like if I just click on how many orders this month, okay, it's under, so you can see that it's still learning. Okay, so it's not giving any answer for that. So I'm just going to ask it to, I need improve my SEO. Okay, so I'm just adding that. It will just check and give me the details for improving the SEO. Okay, so let's see whether it can just do something for the SEO part. Okay, can you add meta uh, details for all of my products? Okay, if I just click on that, so let's see. No, currently I cannot bulk edit. Okay, so if I'm just telling show me the latest product, okay, can you update the SEO for my latest product? Okay, let's see whether it can do that. Okay, could you please provide the product name? So if I'm just going to provide the product name, it will just help me to do that. Okay, so let's try to give it a name, SEO for this one. Okay, can you update the SEO for my product? Okay, now it's searching for the product, and it's like updating the details. Okay, so if you just click on the preview, we can see that it's just updated the details. Okay, so you can just click on this one and you'll be able to see this detail. Okay, you can see that it's having the bluish color. Okay, this is from the Sidekick, and it's automatically improves your SEO. It will just check the details from your description, and after that it will just update the product title and the description, and this is how it has done that. Okay, so I can just see the preview here, and if I'm just saving it, it will just update it. Okay, so now what you can do is you can just easily, with the human language, you can just update many things in Shopify. This is the Shopify. This is the main feature of Sidekick. Okay, so just click on what's new, and you'll be able to see all the information, what all things are available within the Sidekick, and you can just do that. And if you want to start a new chat, you can just click on this icon, and it'll just open the new chat. Okay, and you can see all these details. See this, like so what discount all products. Okay, so for example, if you want to make a discount for all the products, okay, so if you want to do that, you can just do that from here. Okay, can you make 50% off for all of my products till Jan end? Okay, let's see whether it can do that. Okay, so many of the features are still under development. Okay, so it's you can see that if it's working, you'll be able to preview them, and you can just save them. Okay, then only it will just have this. Okay, so it has just created a new discount, and it has just applied. It's just creating a new discount, and it's saying that okay, the automatic discount and the percentage value is 50%, and it will just work until Feb 1. Okay, and if I just click on preview, and after that, like if I need this discount or this option, I can just click on save, or I can just discard it. Okay, so this is how you can use the Sidekick. Okay, so actually the Sidekick is still improving. It's recently launched, so what you can do is you can just create, or you can make many things done using the Sidekick. Okay, it's an AI assistant for your Shopify store. Okay, so you can just do many things, and many features are coming, and you can also ask certain questions, or you can also make it do many things. So this is a good option which is AI powered from Shopify. So we can discover more features of Shopify in coming videos. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.